Hi, can you imagine being able to capture the world around you in stunning 3D details? And once you have these 3D files, you can use it for 3D videos, 3D games, or 3D printing. These are simultaneously helpful for studies and research purposes. Traditionally, it was very difficult. It was only possible by costly, expensive tools like handheld scanners, right? So our vision is to provide everyone a 3D scanner in their pocket so that it becomes as convenient as you take any pictures or videos while you roam around anywhere. Yes, XoneAi is that user friendly, making 3D of any real world objects by just capturing images or videos taken by any smartphones. But we don't stop there. We have built a 3D community inside X1 app where 3D professionals can share their creativity, get valuable feedbacks through likes or comments by other 3D professionals. And you also get a wonderful opportunity to be part of Creator Central, where you can sell your design models and others can buy it, which forms the complete package right here to build, share, and earn under one platform, X1. But lot many times what happen during using 3D scanner app, results doesn't come out that nice. So here a very quick couple of tips from my end is that when you're capturing images or videos of any object, keep the background very features rich. I mean, it has to be a lot of different features around it. And second one, try to use high quality videos and move slowly around the object. That will give you always the best results. So go ahead, learn the course to find an interesting and insightful dimension to the photography with the top rated 3D scanner application for Android with XoneAI. An amazing tool for artists, for game developers, healthcare researchers, photographers, or anyone who wants to capture this beautiful world in altogether a different way. Thank you.